the Tunguska Event. It was early morning on June 30th, 1908, when the sky above Siberia burst open with blinding light. A massive fireball streaked across the dawn, brighter than the sun, before exploding high above the remote Tunguska River basin. The blast flattened over 80 million trees across more than 2,000 square kilometers, an area larger than any modern city. Witnesses hundreds of miles away felt the shockwave, saw the heavens ignite, and heard a thunder that rolled for minutes. Seismic instruments in Europe recorded tremors. The night skies of Asia and Europe glowed eerily for days, bright enough to read newspapers at midnight. When scientists finally reached the desolate site years later, they found no crater, no fragments of meteorite, only a vast, radial pattern of scorched and splintered forest, as if nature itself had been vaporized. The trees at the center stood upright, stripped of branches, their bark burned away, silent markers of a cosmic event that defied simple explanation. The leading theory points to a space rock, perhaps a stony asteroid or icy comet about 50 meters wide, that exploded in the atmosphere with the force of 15 megatons of TNT. It never hit the ground. Instead, the immense heat and pressure from its airburst vaporized it before impact, releasing an energy 1,000 times greater than the atomic bomb later dropped on Hiroshima. But for over a century, the mystery has refused to rest. Some researchers note the strange magnetism of the area, the absence of meteoric debris, and the perfectly symmetrical shock pattern. Others whisper of an experiment gone wrong, a burst of Tesla's wireless energy project reaching Siberia from halfway across the world. A few even speculate that the explosion was not natural at all, that it marked the crash or self-destruction of an alien craft. Local Evenki hunters spoke of a fire god descending from the heavens, bringing ruin and light. Today, satellite imaging and modern simulations support the asteroid theory, yet anomalies persist. No impact crater has ever been found. Traces of unusual isotopes in the soil remain unexplained. And each new study seems to uncover more questions than answers. The Tunguska Event stands as both a warning and a wonder, a reminder that Earth drifts through a cosmic shooting gallery, and that our planet's quiet forests can, without warning, become the stage for forces beyond imagination. Over 100 years later, the land has healed, but the mystery burns on, a flash frozen in history, echoing the day the sky itself exploded.